What's up, Pyros? I had went to Franksville, Pennsylvania at Jake's Fireworks. Jake's Fireworks to get all this stuff. The staff there was really nice. I picked up, cases of each thing here. Bunch of cases from Jake's Fireworks. It has good prices. And it was really, worth it. They were fast and everything. And yeah, I got all the stuff from Jake's Fireworks. Trying to, have a good July 4th. So yeah, they have really good case prices and everything. So we're trying to have some fun for Jake's Fireworks. Shout out to them, for supplying me with all this stuff. So yeah, shout out. I'll show you guys the bill. Give me 1 second. See? All this stuff thanks to Jake's Fireworks. So when I went out there, it was pretty pleasant. It was nice, fast, convenient, and just wanted to give a shout out to them for their July 4th giveaway. So hopefully they get registered. It was a good experience. But they only sell the cases, which is a good thing. I'll show you guys the invoice sheet.
What was the connection between Aldo Huxley, C.S. Lewis, and who wants to go first?
Last but not least, total, they even give you a discount. It's good. Peace out.